Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU, and in this session we are here to discuss a few vocabulary words with you. The article that we've taken today is on the new labor bills that have been announced. Now we are going to work, mostly you would see adjectives and nouns in this session, and let's begin with this. Code debate on new labor laws. Now code debate, there has been a code given. So there's a debate on this code that has been released on the new labor bills. Far-reaching in effect, the new labor codes require greater deliberation. Now we have two words. Far-reaching in effect, far-reaching is an adjective first of all, and deliberation is a noun. Far-reaching in effect means something that is wide or away from something. जिसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं दूरगामी. ओके, बहुत दूर होना. सो भाई उनका इफेक्ट दिखाने में भी बहुत पीछे हैं. द न्यू लेबर कोड्स जो हैं रिक्वायर ग्रेटर डेलिबरेशन. अभी अगर हम उनके इफेक्ट्स की बात करें तो जो लेबर कोड्स अभी आए हैं दे आर फार रीचिंग इन इफेक्ट. उनका भी कोई खास इम्पैक्ट नहीं देखने मिलेगा. एंड दैट इज द रीजन दे रिक्वायर ग्रेटर डेलिबरेशन. डेलिबरेशन दैट इज आई वुड से कंटेम्पलेशन और thought given, that they should give it a thought, they should contemplate, they should think about it, they should work on it more. उनको deliberation की ज़रूरत है. इस पर और थोड़ा सोच विचार करने की आवश्यकता है. Okay. Some laws are far too important and have far too much impact on the people to be passed in haste or without sufficient deliberation. अगर आप अच्छे से सोच विचार नहीं करते हैं, sufficient amount of ध्यान जो देना है वो नहीं देते हैं, जल्दबाजी में if you are taking any sort of decision that can have major impact on the people of the nation and on the country as a whole. The three codes aimed at consolidating diverse labor laws. Consolidating is a verb which means to bring together. Consolidate means to bring together. संगठित करना. That is consolidate. संगठित करना. So diverse labor laws, diverse is an adjective. Diverse, which means varied or various. Okay. सो जितने भी अलग अलग लेबर लॉज हैं उन सबको कंबाइन करके तीन कोड्स बनाने का जो व्यू है, जो एम है. एंड अशरिंग इन रिफॉर्म्स फॉल इन दिस कैटेगरी. अशरिंग दैट इज हेल्पिंग, और अशर इज टू शो लाइक पाथ और टू गाइड. ओके, हेल्प करना, मार्गदर्शन करना. The codes were passed in both houses after a limited debate and in the absence of the opposition. The Industrial Relations Code, the Social Security Code, and the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020 are an updated version of the respective codes of 2019. So these are the examples given जो कि updated codes हैं 2019 के, which was scrutinized by a standing committee. Scrutinized is a verb. Scrutinize is a verb. I'm going to wipe out the screen and explain you the meaning. So scrutinize is a verb which means to judge, to inspect. किसी चीज का जांच करना. Okay. scrutinized by a standing committee. Therefore, there is considerable merit in the argument that the fresh drafts introduced a few days before the passage ought to have been sent back to the panel for an assessment. Abhi kuch din pehle jo points aaye, they have been sent back, they have been given back for an assessment, that please assess it and then come back. Like they need some sort of deliberation still. It is significant that the most contentious feature, contentious is an adjective. Contentious means controversial. Controversial. Now controversial, which means जो विवादित है या विवादग्रस्त है. Okay. Feature, the increase in the threshold for an establishment to seek government permission before closure. So they want the increase in threshold. Threshold is the limit. It's a noun. Threshold means threshold. It is a noun which means the limit. Okay. एक हद के बाद जो एक वर्ड होती है उसके आगे, तो कहते हैं कि थ्रेशोल्ड को बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत है और गवर्नमेंट की परमिशन चाहिए बिफोर क्लोजर. ले ऑफ और रिट्रेंचमेंट फ्रॉम यूनिट्स दैट एम्प्लॉय 100 वर्कर्स टू 300. ओके. ले ऑफ और रिट्रेंचमेंट. रिट्रेंचमेंट इज छटनी करना. रिट्रेंचमेंट हिंदी में हम कहते हैं छटनी, मतलब किसी को नौकरी से निकालना. दैट इज रिट्रेंचमेंट. To lay off, okay, किसी को जॉब से निकालना. So that employs 100 workers to 300 was not found in 2019 draft but has been introduced now. So here they want the threshold to increase. 100 से वो 300 करना चाहते हैं. They want things to be assessed and they want it to give in a thought again. Moving ahead, this gives establishments greater freedom in their termination and exit decisions. No one disagrees with the basic objective of amalgamating. Amalgamating is to bringing together. Okay? एक साथ लाना. Simplifying and rationalizing labor laws. So the people are not disagreeing of bringing these together, but they want, if you're bringing them together, then they should be viable enough. It should be a sensible decision. It should be beneficial. However, the very fact that it involves a voluminous body of legislation. Voluminous is an adjective which means of great amount or number. So it involves voluminous body of legislation should have meant that the final version was widely discussed with the stakeholders and given sufficient time and opportunity to give their views. So they think and believe that the discussions were made, every individual participated in it. If this was the case, then they should have been given equal time and opportunity कि आप अपना व्यू दे रख पाए. तो वो ऐसा मानते हैं कि ये सब हुआ होगा. जहाँ पर इतना कुछ है, तो जो फाइनल वर्जन होगा उसको सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ डिस्कस करना है, उसको सफिशिएंट टाइम देना है, उसको इतना समय देना है कि सब अपने व्यूज़ हमें रख पाए हमारे सामने. ओके. The root of the idea of consolidated labor codes goes back to the June 2002 report of the Second National Commission on Labor. So this was suggestive in this year, that is 2002, in Second National Commission on Labor. Now labor codes consolidation will come into being after 18 to 19 years. The root of the idea, जो जड़ थी वो 2002 में शुरू हुई थी. The broad vision has been given an impetus to economic activity. Impetus, it means it has given it a force. It means a force or an encouragement given. Okay? To the economic activity without adversely affecting the interests of workers. Whether this is adequately reflected in the new provisions will be tested by the experience of administering the codes. A positive feature is that the Social Security Code promises the establishment of Social Security funds for unorganized workers. So it promises safe funds for these people, for the unorganized workers, as well as gig and platform workers, like gig and platform workers who come up for like some daily wages or for some particular I would say act or activity, and also says their welfare would be addressed by the National Social Security Board. It will be taken care by NSSB. NSSB is the National Social Security Board. Further, it has been said a contentious section that is controversial, विवादित, मैंने पीछे भी आपको बताया, section allows the appropriate government to exempt any new factory, exempt माफ करना, okay, to separate, to leave, to free any new factory from all provisions of the code on occupational health, safety and working conditions. So जो भी point health, safety और working conditions पर होगा वो exempted होगा. The threshold for considering any premises as a factory has also been raised from 10 to 20 workers without the use of power and 20 to 40 with power. So किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किस चीज़ का फैक्ट्री का हो गया वो भी बढ़ा दिया गया है, 10 से 20 वर्कर्स without power and 20 to 40 with power, only then you can quote that it is your factory. It is significant that almost all major trade unions are opposing the new codes. So it is important that it is significant कि भाई सब जितने भी trade unions थे सब against है नए code के. This reflects a genuine fear that expansive powers of exemption have been conferred on the respective governments and there has been excessive delegation of rule-making powers. So they say the exemption have been conferred on respective governments. It has been confirmed, it has been bestowed or showered or given on respective governments. So governments पर depend करता है, हर government अपना निर्णय खुद ले सकती है exemption का. And there have been excessive delegation of rule making powers. अगर rule making की बात करें तो फिर बहुत delegation है. एक delegation का मतलब delegation is noun which means to the act of passing on the responsibility. So respective government को अगर ये authority दे दी जाए कि आप power of exemption decide कर लीजिए और all this, so ये चीज़ों को लेके लोग जो trade unions हैं obvious है वो इस चीज़ के against आएंगे because there is excessive delegation of rule making powers. जो power है of rule making, people are sharing responsibilities one on the other. The threshold for layoffs as well as for various social scrutiny schemes can be raised by executive order. Safety standards can be changed. There is much reason to fear that conferring wide discretion to the central and state governments. Discretion is the power of making decision or the freedom of making decision. तो अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आप वाइड डिस्क्रिशन दे देंगे सेंट्रल और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स को, इट्स मे नॉट बी कंड्यूसिव टू द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ वर्कर्स. कंड्यूसिव इज एन एडजेक्टिव विच मीन्स फेवरेबल, उचित या अनुरूप स्वरूप, सो वो उचित नहीं रहेगा जो वर्कर्स हैं उनके इंटरेस्ट में अगर हम सेंटर और स्टेट को इतनी ज़्यादा पावर दे देंगे अपने मन से डिसीजंस लेने की. सो जो इन वर्कर्स का इंटरेस्ट है हो सकता है वो हैम्पर हो क्योंकि फैक्ट्रीज और गवर्नमेंट्स तो अपना फ़ायदा सोचेंगे, राइट. सो दैट इज़ अनदर पॉइंट टू टेक इट टू कंसिडरेशन. सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स दैट आर देयर ऑन द लेबर कोड्स दैट हैव बीन रिलीज, न्यू कोड्स दैट हैव टू कम इनटू इफेक्ट. And most of the trade unions, they are against it. So this is the code debates that we're talking about. Some of them, they are finding it well. See, nobody is against bringing the laws together and simplifying them. but they should have desired effect. If there is no desired effect, then there is no use of making such decisions. So this was the entire article about the code debate, so-called code debate for today, the debate that we had. And the words that we have discussed, the list is there on the site, and the link of the list is there in the description. Click on the link and go directly right there. We have given you a lot many synonyms and antonyms of the word, so that to simplify your job, but do look for phrases and the usages. You can comment and let us know any doubt that you have. Use these words and sentences and let us know. Also, hit the like button to the video, and not to forget to subscribe to the channel for more such sessions with us. So keep learning and growing, learners. I will see you soon. Thank you so much.